Hey y'all, welcome to the Wormy Garden. You know how much I love a good garden. It just brings life and warmth to a home, doesn't it? Did you know you can grow fresh, delicious veggies right from your kitchen scraps? We throw away so much in the kitchen, and those little ends and tops we usually toss. They're practically begging for a second chance to grow. Today I'm going to show you how to regrow 5 of the most popular veggies, all from scraps you'd normally toss. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get our hands dirty, y'all. Alright y'all, let's start with the easiest one, green onions. These are so simple to regrow, you'll be amazed you haven't tried it before. See those little white roots at the bottom? That's all you need. Just trim off the green tops about an inch or so above those roots. Now find yourself a cute little glass. I like using mason jars, they're just so charming. And fill it with water. Gently place your green onion bottoms, root side down, in the water. Find a nice sunny spot for your little green onion jar. A windowsill is perfect. In just a couple of days, you'll see new green shoots popping up. Change the water every other day to keep your green onions happy. As the greens grow taller, just snip what you need. They'll keep growing back for weeks. Let's move on to lettuce and celery, 2 more kitchen staples that are just begging to be regrown. For both lettuce and celery, cut off the bottom inch or 2. That's where all the magic happens. Find a shallow dish or bowl, fill it with about an inch of water, and gently place your lettuce and celery ends in there, cut side down. Now, find a bright spot for them. They don't need direct sunlight, just a nice bright area. Within a week, you'll start to see new leaves sprouting up from the center. Once the roots are nice and strong and you see some new leaves forming, you can transfer them to soil. Gently place the rooted ends in the soil, making sure the leaves are above the surface. Water them regularly and get ready for round 2 of fresh, crunchy lettuce and celery. Now, this one might surprise you, carrots and beets. But we're not regrowing the roots this time. We're going for those leafy tops. They're packed with nutrients and flavor, and they look absolutely gorgeous in salads or as a garnish. Next time you're chopping up carrots or beets, save those tops. Cut off about an inch or 2 below the greens, making sure you get a little bit of the vegetable attached. Find a shallow dish or a cute little plate and fill it with about half an inch of water. Place your carrot and beet tops cut side down in the water. Just like with the lettuce and celery, you want to keep the water fresh, so change it out every day or 2. Now find a sunny spot for your little green friends. Within a few days, you'll start to see new growth emerging from the center. These greens are delicious in salads, stir-fries, or even just as a simple garnish. Alright y'all, let's talk garlic and ginger. These are kitchen essentials. I use them in practically everything. And the best part? It's so easy to keep a continuous supply growing right in your kitchen. For garlic, all you need is 1 little clove. Find a pot with good drainage. Terracotta pots work great for this. And fill it with a good potting mix. Gently push the garlic clove about an inch below the surface, root side down. Find a warm, sunny spot for your garlic pot. You'll see green shoots popping up in a week or 2. You can snip these and use them like chives, or let the whole plant grow to harvest full garlic bulbs. Ginger is just as easy. Find a piece of ginger root with a bud eye. It looks like a little nub or bump. Break off a piece that includes the bud eye, and plant it horizontally in moist soil, about an inch deep. Both garlic and ginger love warm, humid conditions, so mist them regularly and keep them away from drafts. They're perfect for growing indoors, especially during the colder months. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy ways to regrow your favorite veggies from kitchen scraps. These simple techniques not only give you fresh, flavorful food, but they also help you save money and reduce waste. Whether you have a sprawling backyard garden or just a sunny windowsill, you can create your own little scrap-powered haven. So go on, y'all, get creative. Experiment with different veggies, try growing them in different containers, and have fun with it. Isn't it amazing what you can grow from just a few kitchen scraps? I love that feeling of breathing new life into something that would have otherwise gone to waste. So, which veggie are you going to try regrowing first? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you're growing. Thanks for watching, y'all, and happy growing.